Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny, your ultimate beef-loving Texan, back with another great recipe from the Texas Beef Council. Today, I have got a fantastic flanken rib video for you. That's those little thin ribs that they cut, sliced nice and thin. We're gonna show you how to marinate those a little bit, get them on the grill, and cook them up with some grilled vegetables. Join us today to see how to make this fantastic recipe. I tell you what, these are, if you see, they're nice and thin pieces, so it doesn't take you real long to cook them. But the type of meat they are needs a longer cook to be tender, and it needs maybe a braise or something like that. But most of the time these are grilled and grilled faster. So what's going to make them tender is the marinade. And I'm going to use some apple cider vinegar in my marinade. That will help break it down. So we're just going to season these. Use your favorite barbecue rub. I've just got an SPG here that I'm putting on them. So we'll just get our SPG, cover them good, flip them over, do the other side. Then we're gonna drop them in a marinade. And my marinade, again, is very simple. It's an easy recipe, and it is just some barbecue sauce, the apple cider vinegar, and then go back with some of your barbecue rub. But the recipes for this will all be at beeflovingtexans.com, right? There we go, that's ready to go. Let's get our marinade. And this is just my barbecue sauce, guys, so I say get the one you like. Don't need to be anything in particular. Pour about a quarter cup into my barbecue sauce holder. Shake it up good. Dump that in there. And about 2 tablespoons of my SPG. Right there, and give it a stir. But I'm going to save a little bit to brush on them while they're cooking. So that's good there. Let's get these in the refrigerator, 2, 3, 4 hours. Come back, throw them on your grill. So we'll see you in a couple hours. This pit's ready to go. We're going to get it opened up, get these on it. And I tell you what, they've been marinating for a while, so they should have soaked in that flavor. We're about 275 degrees. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna close this up and I'm gonna open everything up and see if I can start raising the temperature up in here gradually while they cook. These sometimes come longer. These are cut into 2 bones and 3 bones, I think, but sometimes you go there and it's the full amount. You'll get 6 of them in there. We're hard lump charcoal, guys, and a chunk of mesquite is what we're cooking with. 5 minutes into this cook, we're gonna turn these over. We do have the temperature getting hotter. So let's take a look here. They look pretty. All of these flipped. And I'm gonna let that temperature keep coming up on these. Now I'm going to take my sauce and I'm just going to put a coating over these. And again, it's got that vinegar in there with it. There we go. Let's close it up and set my timer for 3 minutes. I think I'm going to close this up and let these go about another 2 minutes on this side. Let's get this back open. Again, these are looking nice. Y'all see those? That is a pretty rib. I'm gonna set these off. I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit, rest, right, about 10 minutes. And while they're doing that, I'm just gonna grill me up some squash, some yellow and some green squash, some zucchinis. These ribs are off. They have rested. It is time to give them a try. While they were resting, I did grill up some squash to go with it. Just threw it right on a little cast iron skillet I had in the cooker. And it looks really good also, so we have that nice. It's tender, but we're gonna give these a try. Like I said, when you make these, you just have to be careful because the barbecue sauce will burn. Thinning it down with the apple cider vinegar does help. Cooked them up nice, let's give them a try. Because of this fast cook, you're not gonna break down every single membrane and things like that around those ribs. That's just the nature of the beast. But these came out nice and tender. Well worth that second bite. Some beautiful flanken style ribs, maybe cooked a little bit different than you've seen them cooked before. But remember, beef is a very versatile for you. It works wonderful in a well-balanced diet. So go to beeflovingtexans.com, check out our recipes, check out the nutritional information, and see how you can put beef into the menu that you're feeding your family and your friends also. But another great recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to share this with your friends and family. Tell them to head over to beeflovingtexans.com. Tell them Chef Johnny sent you. I appreciate that. And we're going to see y'all down the road. So long, everybody.